Yo, Wagwan people, Wapum, Awe una say? Yes, greetings my friends. Today we are going to look at a very interesting section of pronouns, which is interrogative pronouns in Jamaican Patois. That's why I started with the questions. Wagwan, Wapum, Weyase, what's going on, what's happening, what are you saying? So, interrogative pronouns as defined in English, these are pronouns for asking questions, and in English they tell us interrogative pronouns must start at the beginning of the sentence, which is not the case with Jamaican Patois. Sometimes when you're speaking of interrogative pronouns in Patois, you may start them at the beginning of the sentence, or in the middle of a sentence, or at the end. For example, a Jamaican would say, how do you? How do you? What is wrong with you? What is your problem? How do them? What is their problem? How do she? What's her problem? What's wrong with her? How do she? So you find that awa. So today we're going to look at those interrogative pronouns in Jamaican. Let's first storm the interrogative pronouns. Words like what, how, where, when, which, why, who, whom, whose. Those are English, and in Jamaican we say wa, where, oh, when time, which, wamek, oh, who, oh, fi ufa. So let's go straight to the table of examples. On your left, as usual, we have English version, and in the middle Jamaican equivalent and example in Patois and translated in English. Straight, we go to what or how. How do you say what in Jamaican? You simply say wa, spelled W-A-H, or you may use we, spelled W-H-E, or at times in a few particular cases we use o. So that's why we have words like wagwan, what's going on, wamek, what made or what makes. We have words like wapum, what's happening. Straight to our section of example in Patois and translated in English, a Jamaican says, wagwan brejin, you right? Wagwan brejin, you right? What's going on, friend? Are you okay? But wagwan brejin is simply salutation. You're greeting a friend. Hi, friend. How are you, friend? What's up, friend? Are you okay? Wagwan brejin, you right? What's going on, friend? Are you okay? And then next example, what them matter about? What them matter about? What are they talking about? Where them matter about? What are they talking about? And then some usual question where we use oh to mean what is, oh you mean Chigan? Oh you mean Chigan? How are you mean Chigan? What do you mean she's gone? What are you talking about? Chatbot. Oh, you mean Chigan? What are you talking about? What do you mean she's gone? And then, lastly, under what? Where sir? Where sir? What are you saying, sir? Where sir? What are you saying, sir? Or aweyase. What are you saying? Oweyase. What are you saying? Some people usually say wayase, wayase, but wayase is not common. We simply say wayase. What are you saying? Or where you say to mean what do you say? Where you say, what do you say? Wayase, what are you saying? Where you did say, what did you say? So, or where you did I say, where you did I say, what were you saying? Where you did say, what did you say? Where you did I say, what were you saying? Where I say, what are you saying? Where I say, sir, what are you saying, sir? Where I say woman, what are you saying, woman? Where I say girl, what are you saying, girl? Where I say boy, what are you saying, boy? Where I say mama, what are you saying, mom? Where I say father, what are you saying, father? What are you saying, dad? Where I say brethren, what are you saying, friend? Sin. So that is what for Jamaican. Again, so in Jamaican Patois, when somebody says, what is it? How do you say what is it? You simply say awa or wagwan. What is it? Example, bien Yaad. Somebody is calling me. Bien Yaad. Then I reply, awa. Udat. Bien Yaad. Awa. Udat. Brein Yaad. What is it? Who is that? Brein Yaad. What is it? Who is that? So that is awa for what is it or wagwan. Somebody says, yo Kapun. Kapun says, wagwan. Forward. Hey Kapun, what is it? Come. So that is what is it. And again, interrogative pronoun where we say we, spelled as W-E-H. Whereas we for what is spelled as W-H-E. You get the difference? We, a particular place is spelled as W-E-H. Where? Whereas if we pronounce way, if we say way and we are meaning what, we write it as W-H-E. So for where, we simply say where or which part. And for example, somebody says, where them there? Where them there? Me need see them. Where them there? Me need see them. Where are they? I need to see them. A person will ask you, where you there? Where you there? Where are you? Where you there? Where are you? Where the doctor? Where the doctor? Where is the doctor? Where me puss? Where me puss? Where is my puss cat? Not the pussy, you know. Where me puss? Where is my puss cat? Okay. Again, we use which part to mean where. Which part them a go? Which part them a go? Where are they going? Which part them a go? Where are they going? Huh? A friend tells you, see them bird there? You know where them a go? See them bird there? You know which part them a go? Do you see those boats? Do you know where they are going? See them bird there? You know which part them a go? You know where them a go? Do you know where they are going? Do you see those boats? See them bird there? You know where them are go? Do you know where they're going? So something like that. So where or which part? And we go to the next interrogative pronoun, which is when. Instead of when, we say when, and in English it is more like when, but in Jamaican we simply say when, W-E-N, whereas in English it is spelled as W-H-E-N, when, and Jamaican when, or when time. We add the word time on after when, and we say when time. So example, when you add strong my youth, when you add strong my youth, or when time you add strong my youth. And earth strong comes from the word earth strong. When we say earth strong in Jamaican, it means one's birthday. So somebody's asking you, when you earth strong my youth, when is your birthday my friend? And next example, when time you born youth girl, when were you born young girl? When time you come? What time or when are you coming? So that is when for you in Jamaican Patois. And next interrogative pronoun is which. And we use which, or sometimes we use way to mean which, but we use which. In English it is more of which, but in Jamaican it is which. So which had few run yaso? Which house is yours around here? Run yaso. Around here. Which had few run yaso? Which house is yours around here? Then we go to interrogative pronoun why. English why. Jamaican wamek or we or oh. So in Jamaican, for instance, we say, what make you do it? What make you do it? Why did you do it? Or where them look so? Why do they look like that? Or how them go so? Why do they behave like that? Why do they act like that? How them go so? How them gwan so? Why do they behave like that? And next, interrogative pronoun who. And instead of who, we say who. In English, it's pronounced as who. In Jamaican, it is pronounced as who. That's why the spelling is more of triple O. And example, who that call me so? Who that call me so? Who is that calling me like that? As if I'm your maid. As if I'm your child. Like I say, me a your child. Who that call me so? Or you simply say, who that? Who is that? Who them? Who are they? Who them? Who are they? Who you ramp with? Who are you fooling with? So, the next example under who, somebody will ask, who you think you are go fool? Who you think you are go fool? Or who you think you going fool? Or who you think you going fool? Who do you think you are going to fool? Or somebody will ask you, who the pussycat you think you there? Who the pussycat you think you is? Who the hell do you think you are? Who is you? Who is you? Who are you? Who is you? Who are you? Who you there? Who are you? Who the blood clot you think you is? Who the hell do you think you are? Who the ras you think you is? Who the buttocks do you think you are? Who the ras? Who the bumble you think you is? Who the asshole do you think you are? Who the Lucifer you think you is? Who the Satan do you think you are? Are you a king? Who do you call yourself in this house? Who you call yourself in this house? So that is who. Interrogative pronoun who. Who that? Who that come? Who is that coming? Who that attack? Who is that talking? Who that run? Who is that running? So we go to interrogative pronoun how. How. I told you in Jamaican we don't say ha, we say oh. Oh. Instead of how we say oh. So the spelling would be more of OW. And if we don't say oh, we sometimes say where. For example, somebody asks you, how old you they know? How old you they know? How old are you now? How old you they know? How old are you now? Or where it work? Where it work? How does it work? Or how it work? How does it work? Oh, you know. Oh, you know. How do you know? Oh, you do. Oh, you do. How are you? How are you doing? Oh, you do it. How do you do it? Okay. Next interrogative pronoun is whom. Whom we say who or where. Who them the? Who them the power with? Who them the power with? Whom did they hang out with? To power with. Me there power with me friend them. I'm just here chilling with my friends. I'm just here hanging out with my friends. Me there power with me friend them. Me there power with me friend them. I'm just here chilling or hanging out with my friends. So somebody's asking, who them the power with? Whom did they hang out with? Or where them attack? Where them attack? Whom do they want to talk to? Where them attack? Whom do they want to talk to? And lastly, we have interrogative pronoun whose. Whose. We don't have anything like whose in Jamaican, but we have ufa. Ufa o fi u. And I'm not talking about hoofers. Those home theater speakers you reserve in your sitting rooms and houses. No, this is ufa, OOFAH, whereas hoofer is WHOOFER, hoofer. So this is ufa. Well, a guy will ask a chick, you're in club, you're dancing, but you're trying to fill up somebody. You're trying to caress them. Yeah? You're touching her boobs, yet you're just having fun. You're just a friend. Why are you feeling her boobs? So she will ask, ufa badatos you feel, sir? Ufa badatos you feel, sir? Or ufa boobies you feel, sir? And that means, whose boobs are you feeling, sir? Whose breasts are you trying to caress, sir? Whose breasts are you trying to fill up, sir? Ufa badatos you feel, sir. Or another example, fi u sell ya. Fi u sell you a search for. Fi u sell you a search for. And selly comes from the word cell phone. Instead of cell phone, we say selly, which means phone or cell phone. Whose phone are you searching for? Fi u sell you a search for. Whose phone are you searching for? Fi u man that. Whose man is that? Ufa bag this. Ufa bag this. Whose bag is this? Fi unana you are Fi unana you are look for. Fi unana you are look for. Fi unana you are nyam. Fi unana you are joke. Whose nana do you want to joke? And nana means pussy. So a girl is asking, you're telling a girl, you know, baby, I love you so much. I can't sleep. I'm always thinking about you. Like, I want us to make out. I really want us to make out. And she's like, Adat you are? Yes, that's what I want, my dear. Darling, that's what I want. You sure about that? Yes, I'm very sure about that. I love you. You love me? You say you love me? Yes. Then lastly she asks, Ufanana you are feel? Ufanana you are feel? Me nana? Me you nana? Who's... Alright, somebody will translate that, one of the students. Good, thank you so much. We come to the end of interrogative pronouns in Jamaican Patois by Brein, Yaad. Thank you so much. I told you, don't forget to check out other types of pronouns in Jamaican, like personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, and relative pronouns. All are defined and uploaded. Thank you very much.